begin in Sketch to render. I've created a handbag sketch in Adobe Illustrator, and now I'll upload it into RaspberryAI to generate a photorealistic render. I'll select the black and white option and choose Ghost Mannequin Output, which is your best option for accessories. I'll accept the suggested prompt, then update it with color and fabrication details. Now I'll click Generate. While that's generating, let's talk about how to prompt for handbags. A strong bag prompt should cover 6 essentials. Color and material. What's the main hue and fabrication? Silhouette. Is it a tote, backpack, crossbody, or another style? Construction. Details like a flap, structured body, or slouchy shape. Closure or hardware. Zippers, buckles, clasps. Handles or straps. Length, style, or placement. Texture or finish. Smooth leather, pebbled grain, glossy pattern, and so on. These details work together with your sketch to create your vision. My renders are ready. I'll pick the best output and save it to my library. With the purse rendered, I'll move into lifestyle photography. Now I have a couple of options. I can prompt for an editorial photo shoot with the product front and center. I can then use that image to swap in my rendered product in the edit module. Or I can prompt for a scene featuring a model. I'll prompt for a photo shoot that keeps my style in the spotlight. I'll type a description of the bag in a simple scene. A navy blue leather mini backpack on a terrazzo table, 3/4 view, soft window light, lifestyle editorial shot, plant in background. I'll run this through Prompt Assist, apply the suggestion, then click Generate. While that's generating, let's talk about lifestyle photography prompts for handbags. Your lifestyle photography prompt should include concept. Are you creating a studio product shot or a lifestyle editorial shot? Bag description, exact color, material, silhouette, and key details. Composition and placement, where and how the bag is positioned. Environment, surfaces and settings, such as a plaster wall, wood bench, or terrazzo table. Lighting and mood, type of lighting such as soft window light for more editorial looks, or diffuse studio light for studio product shots. Camera and lens, perspective, framing, and distance. In summary, a great lifestyle photography prompt has all of the components of a photo shoot. Back in App, I'll pick my favorite output and open the 3 dots menu. Here I'll choose to open an image editor, bringing me to the Edit module AI Prompts tool. I'll upload my sketch to render output as a reference image. Then I'll prompt to remove the original bag from the scene. Now I'll prompt, completely replace existing bag with reference image. Keep no details of existing bag. And click Apply. Pro tip, the Edit module now responds to prompting in natural language. Try out different ways of prompting if the placement or lighting is off. There are lots of different ways to get what you want. I'll pick the best result, confirm, and merge all so I only have one layer. With AI prompts in the Edit module, I placed my sketch to render output directly into the lifestyle photography shot for a polished editorial presentation. Back to the lifestyle photography tool for my second presentation option. This time, I'll prompt for a model holding a purse similar to my sketch. In my prompt, I can add details about the model, clothing, and pose, along with lighting and scene elements. Pro tip: make sure your model is carrying or wearing an item similar to the one you want to swap in later. Another pro tip: prompt for the background to save a step and make a cohesive image. Once I've found the best result, I'll save it to my library. Next, I'll open On-Body Presentation, Raspberry's tool for dressing a model using a product image. I'll upload both the person render and the model photo I saved earlier. Raspberry will automatically suggest a mask. On-Body defaults to apparel, so I'll get rid of the mask. I'll draw a mask over the backpack, making sure to mask a bit over the sweater. I want the mask to be roughly the size and shape of the purse. Then I'll click Generate to get the dressed model. Pro tip: draw your mask over the accessory you want to swap. Make your mask the size and shape of your accessory. I like the result, so I'll upscale the image to 4K for maximum resolution. You can also choose 2K or keep the original resolution. Now let's animate our image using the Animate tool in On-Body. I've saved my 4K image to my desktop, and I'll drag and drop it into the upload box. Next, I'll write a prompt for the animation. In this case, I'll write, model turns and walks away, camera slowly zooms in on the backpack. I'll select standard or high resolution and choose either a 5 or 10-second video. Then I'll click Generate. Pro tip: a note about framing. If the camera is zooming into the bag, you should start with the bag well centered. That helps prevent awkward cropping. When it's finished, I can download the animation as an MP4 or save it as a looping GIF. From sketch to render, styled on model, and animated. This workflow takes a flat sketch all the way to a moving fashion visual, all inside Raspberry AI. Perfect for presentations, social content, or client reviews.